Let's explore on how to upgrade Windows 11 Home to Pro without reinstalling or formatting. Let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is to simply check for Upgrade Now option. Or if you have an account here in Microsoft, you might want to go and log in using our credentials. Just click on Sign In. Okay. Now when we click Check for Upgrade Now, you will be redirected to a new window. Alright, it'll prompt you at the very top. If you want to open settings, just click open settings, right? Now here's the fun part. Alright, what I'm gonna do, if you want to upgrade to Windows 11 Pro using Microsoft, the best way to upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro is through the Microsoft Store, alright? And to begin, you're gonna simply click here or log in using your credentials to open the Microsoft Store to upgrade and go to the upgrade page. All right, click just upgrade to Windows 11 Pro. Now when you choose to upgrade through the Microsoft Store, it will detect whether your current Windows 11 Home Edition is activated and then guide you accordingly, and all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instructions. Right now you also have the options of upgrading to Windows 11 Pro manually, but please keep note that the following steps apply to devices currently running an activated copy of Windows 11 Home. Now, in such cases, your own version is not activated, they recommend you activate Windows 11 Home first before you can do the Windows 11 Pro manually, right? Now, moving forward, to upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro manually, first check which edition you're running and your activation state. All I'm gonna do, if you're still following, select Start, go to Settings, and then hover to say System and Activation. At the top of the activation page, you'll see your edition. It's gonna be either Home or Pro, and you'll see if you're activated under Activation State. Click on that Activation State. As you can see, when you click on that, you will be directed to a new window. Just click on Open Settings for now. Now, once you've confirmed you're activated, check if you have a Windows Pro product key. Now, for more info and check to see and to find your Windows product key, just click on the link right here and then follow the steps that apply to your product key scenario. Say for example, if you have a Windows 11 Pro product key, it's the same thing. All right, just go to Select, Start, click on Settings, click on System Activation, and of course you need to select Change Product Key, right? And then enter the 25 character Windows 11 Pro product key. You have to select Next to start the upgrade to Windows 11 Pro. Now, if you don't have by any chance a Windows 11 Pro product key, it's the same process. However, when you click on Start and go to the Settings option, go to System and then Activation, under Upgrade your edition of Windows, select Open Store. Now, make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account to purchase Windows 11 Pro. And after you confirm your purchase, you'll be prompted to install Windows 11 Pro and restart your PC. You'll then be running Windows 11 Pro. Alright? Now, say for example, you've done the following steps earlier and you still can't activate or upgrade your Windows 11 Home to Pro. Even if you have the product keys or you don't have the product keys, what you need to do this time is simply just hover here to Microsoft Contact Center and tell them your situation and that you are having problems upgrading your Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro even with your product keys. Alright, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.